Hello students, let's continue with our EVS lesson number 14. Okay, so what we have seen that that Shivaji is planning to recapture Kondana fort again from emperor. So he decided to lead a campaign for the recapture of Kondana. And in the meanwhile, Tanaji he came for inviting Shivaji Maharaj and Ma Sahib for what? For Raiba's wedding. So when when Tanaji heard that Shivaji is planning about recapturing Kondana fort, so he said that being of me, you are not going to go. It means तानाजी के रहते हुए शिवाजी महाराज जाएंगे क्या इतने खतरनाक काम के लिए, डेंजरस काम के लिए? He said no, I will go instead of you. And very firstly, I will capture the Kondana fort and then I will attend my son's wedding, son's Raiba's wedding. So this was decided. Now let's see student, what did Tanaji planned out, how he is going to capture the fort. Tanaji's plan. Tanaji's plan. With these words, Tanaji took charge of the campaign and left for Kondana. ये बोलकर क्या किया तानाजी ने? सारा का सारा इंचार्ज बन गए, वो सारी चीज़ की चार्ज ले ली उन्होंने एंड साथ में वो कोंडाना के लिए निकल गए. The fort was then under the immediate control of Uday Bhan, a Rajput officer appointed by Jai Singh. सो एट दैट टाइम कोंडाना किसके अंडर में था, किसके कंट्रोल में था? उदय भान. ही वॉज अ राजपूत ऑफिसर ऑफ जय सिंह. उदय भान वॉज अ डिसिप्लिन एंड विजिलेंट ऑफिसर. देर वर टू एंट्रेंसेस. हाउ वॉज उदय भान? ही वॉज डिसिप्लिन एज वेल एज ही वॉज वेरी vigilant Rajput officer. Students, come to next side. Students, on the next page, that is on page number 55. So how many entrances are there? There are 2 entrances to the fort. Both were heavily guarded by Uday Bhan's men. And दोनों कौन गार्ड करता था? उदय भान के soldiers, उदय भान के men. They used to guard both the entrances of the fort. How then to mount an assault? Tanaji quietly made a detailed inspection of the fort. On the western side, there was a steep precipice where there were no guards. So students, what was there? The 2 entrances, it was heavily guarded by the Uday Bhan's men, and on the other steep precipice, or you can also say that precipice, there was a small thing from where he can enter into the fort, where no guards were there. वहाँ पर कोई guards थे क्या? Students, remember that movie? वहाँ पर कोई guards थे क्या? No. Tanaji decided to attack from that side. So what did Tanaji decided? कि वो उसी side से attack करेंगे. He explained his plan to his younger brother. He said, you take a detachment of 500 troops and try to reach the Kalyan gate. With another 300, I shall scale this precipice and get inside the fort. As soon as we were there, we shall throw open the doors of the Kalyan gate. Then you step in and join us. Together we shall destroy the Mughal troops defending the fort. With the plan thus finalized, Suryaji and Tanaji went their different ways. So, along with Tanaji, who was there? Suryaji. Tanaji's younger brother Suryaji was also helping him out. So, students, as Tanaji and Suryaji, Tanaji elder brother and Suryaji was younger brother. Both brothers, what they have decided, that Tanaji he will go from the unguarded, मतलब जहाँ पर guards नहीं है वो side से Tanaji he will go inside the fort, and on the other hand Suryaji with 500 soldiers, with 500 troops soldiers, he will go to Kalyan gate. As Tanaji reached inside with his 300 soldiers, he will open the Kalyan gate and then Suryaji have to come in and join the battle. Both the brothers, they are going to finish the Mughal troops and they will recapture the fort again. Over the precipice and into the fort. So what happened? अभी वहाँ पर क्या हुआ था? Let's see. It was a dark night. Tanaji and his men were gathered at the foot of the precipice. The sound of crickets would be heard all around. 5 or 6 members of Tanaji's party started to scale the precipice. It was indeed very high and steep, but somehow they managed to get a foothold in the rock. pulled themselves up by pushing their fingers into rocks, crevices, and began the difficult and dangerous climb. Slowly but surely they reached the top. As soon as they were on safe ground, they tied up a thick rope to a strong tree and let it down the precipice. The others took hold of the rope and climbed up to the top like monkeys. So, what happened? Students, you can see on the next side of your book. Yeah, you can see the picture that Tanaji is down and here other soldiers, they are moving up. So, कैसा है वो पहाड़? बहुत ही स्टीप है, बहुत ही स्ट्रेट है कि नहीं? बोलते ना खड़ा पहाड़ है, वैसे ही स्टीप है. And what did happen? That for climbing up they need a प्रॉपर सपोर्ट टू क्लाइंब अप, है कि नहीं? सोल्जर्स को ऊपर पहुंचने के लिए एक प्रॉपर चीज होनी चाहिए. दैट्स वाई 2 or 3 members or 4 or 5 members of Tanaji, they went up and somehow they reached on the top and they tied a rope and they had thrown it down so that others soldiers could get a hold of it and climb up the precipice. Like monkeys, all the soldiers, they just climbed up the narrow steep. Now come to Tanaji's valor. By now, Suryaji had reached the Kalyan gate. He waited there for the doors to open. The battle on the fort started. Udaybhan heard of the attack. The battle drum was sounded. Udaybhan's garrison attacked Tanaji's men. A grim battle started between the two forces in the light of dancing torches. The Mavlas opened the doors of the Kalyan gate. Tanaji was fighting like a brave lion. Udaybhan attacked him. Both were very brave and battle between them was fierce. Tanaji's shield was broken, so he tied up his upper garment round his defending hand to parry Udaybhan's blows and continued the fight. In the end, both were mortally wounded and fell fighting. So, students, finally what happened? All the soldiers, they climbed up on the fort and they started to battle. As Udaybhan heard the attack sounds, he blowed the drum. मतलब बैटल के ड्रम वगैरह बज गए. सबको क्या पता चल गया? Now it's time to battle, that someone has attacked on the Kondana's fort. So Udaybhan, he had also started fighting with whom? With Tanaji. Some Mavlas, they became successful in opening up the Kalyan gate. So finally Mavlas ने क्या किया? उन्होंने गेट ओपन कर दिया, कल्याण गेट, where Suryaji was waiting. Yes or no? Yes. So Tanaji and Udaybhan, both are very brave, both are very strong. They started battle between them. है कि नहीं? दोनों की लड़ाई शुरू हो गई, उदयभान और तानाजी की. दोनों कैसे है? दोनों स्ट्रांग है और दोनों के दोनों ब्रेव है. Both were fighting like a brave lions. So finally what did happen in the fight? Tanaji's shield was broken. तानाजी की शील्ड जो थी वो टूट गई. That's why Tanaji, he had rounded his upper garment on his hand so that he can use it as shield against Udaybhan's blows. मतलब उदयभान के अटैक को कौन रोकने वाला था? जो तानाजी ने अपने हैंड को ऐसे कवर किया हुआ जो गारमेंट था, कपड़ा था वो. And finally at the end both were wounded and fell fighting. दोनों के दोनों क्या हो गए? बहुत जख्मी हो गए, बहुत ज़्यादा घायल हो गए. Students, here we are going to stop with our story, with our lesson. Till that you have to read the lesson. Okay? Bye bye.